to recalibrate your path. Embrace this new beginning with determination for your dreams away around the bend. Respected Father, honorable teachers, members of non-teaching staff, and my fellow Bosconians. I am Arushi Kaur, host for today's morning assembly. Today, it's time to take an oath that reminds us about our love, respect, and responsibility towards our nation. I would like to call Niharika Sunwan for the page.
This youth injured in police encounter in Tinsukia. Explosive materials recovered in Tinsukia, Mamorali area cordoned off. Assam to get new permanent assembly building after 51 years on July 30. Two in Majuli sentenced to life imprisonment for raping a minor girl. Villagers in Chiran district built bamboo dam to prevent land erosion flood.
On this day in every year, National Mountain Climbing Day is celebrated. On this day in 1834, the enslavement of black people throughout the British Empire officially ended. On this day in 1589, King Henry III of France was stabbed by Jacques Clement. On this day in 1774, oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. On this day in 1920, the non-cooperation movement was launched.
Everyone present here in this morning assembly. I am Snigdha from class 7B and I am standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic teenagers. A teenager or teen is someone who is 13 to 19 years old. They can be also described with the term adolescence. The law on what teenager may do varies between countries. The term teenager becomes widely used to indicate people who are old enough to have their own money to spend, but are not yet adults. A person becomes a teenager when they become 13 years old. It ends when they become 19 or 20 years old. Teenagers between 13 and 17 years old are considered both teenagers and children in most countries. Teenagers who are 18 and 19 years old are may regarded as both teenagers and adults. Some societies have rites of passage to mark the change from childhood to adulthood. These ceremonies may be quite elaborate. During puberty, rapid mental and physical development can occur.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is titled from the Holy Bible. The race is not to the swift or the letter to the stronger. The truth comes to the least or to the brilliant or favor to the Lord. But time and things happen to them. Thank you.
Sincere audiences and we also welcome all of you after 1 month of holidays. We are back to school again, and some of you will be still in the mode of holidays and things like so it's important that we combine and bring our academic studies. Before that, I also like to appreciate and thank our assembly for making the assembly really well. Though it was holidays during these days, I found 1 or 2 days the initiative of the class teacher coming to the school and getting the instructions and that was the reason they were able to conduct the assembly really well. So I appreciate them for the hard work they put into conducting the assembly really well. And the speaker was reminding us about teenagers. And so the one thing I feel when we are teenagers, what we can take care is about the kind of friends we cultivate. It's often said, you show me your friends and I will tell you what kind of person you are. That means your friends also reveal the kind of character that you have. And very often friends also help us to more about future or what we become later on in future. Also, friends play a very vital role in our life. Suppose the friends are
Hard work, perseverance, then anything can be achieved. With this great motivation by Abdul Kalam, I myself commit the way from 7B, standing in front of you all, to vote along with my classmates to vote today's morning assembly. A day without prayer is a day without blessings, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So now, I would like to request our prayer group to sing a beautiful prayer song. Brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and well-heritage culture and religion. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I still respect my parents, teachers, and everyone regardless of
With ancient chief started power at Tilakabad function. Lok Sabha debate on no confidence motion against anti-government for 3 days. Priyam Modi to reply on August 10. IMD yellow alert as Hyderabad likely to receive rainfall today. Thirdly, sports news. BCCI announced the release of invitation to tender for title sponsor as of BCCI events. Mumbai City FC, Jamshedpur FC breaks in a tough draw. Cristiano Ronaldo breaks another record as Al Nassr crushes Monastir 4-1 Arab Cup Champions Cup. Lastly, ending with some business news. India GST collection for July up 11% to 1.65 lakh crore. DLF for Saptar shares for today.
Good morning, everyone. Myself is a student of class 7 is standing here to deliver today's importance of the day. August 2nd is the 214th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar and 161 days remaining until the end of the year. August 2 is celebrated as a Republic Day in North Macedonia. This day is also known as the Pericopus Day in Russia. On 1876, Independent Indian geologist who designed the flag of India was born. In the year 1877, Ravi Chandra Shukla, Indian lawyer and politician and the first minister of Madhya Pradesh was born. On
I am now present here. I am standing in front of you all to share my thoughts through my speech about dreams. Dreams are the beautiful imaginations that one takes on to escape from the ruthless reality. Sometimes people intend to dream and live a fictional life. This may be to ignore the struggles and difficulties that they have to come across in life. There are other kinds of dreams that do not let the person sleep until they achieve it. Dreams give meaning to our life. It prepares a person to set goals and then achieve them. These kinds of dreams are very important to achieve success and fame. Dream is a powerful force that keeps us motivated. They are the goals that we set for ourselves and the ambitions that can take us to great heights. It's essential to have a dream and to work towards it. With the
दुनिया की दीवार लेकिन यीशु कहता है कर लो प्यार जितना दुश्मन गहरा आजमा लो उनकी संदेशा
culture, language, and education.
With wars happening around us, here comes Gami with the news updates.
Myself coming to a student of class 7B, Steve is standing in front of you all to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. Singapore Prime Minister suspended an Indian origin minister and reduced his pay in the midst of a corruption investigation. Iran shut down for 2 days due to record heat. Turkey sells 12 drones to Indonesia for $300 million. Beijing, China's capital city, has experienced the highest rainfall in at least 140 years. Pakistan election will be held in accordance with a
of August and is observed as the National Progressive Cookies Day and National Coast Guard Day. And this day is the 216th day of the year according to the Gregorian calendar. There are 149 days remaining until the end of this year. On this day in 1956, the Indian first nuclear reactor Apsana was commissioned.
A very warm welcome to you all, respected father, sister, teachers, and you all my dear Bosconians. I am Tanmay from class 7B, standing here to deliver a short speech. And my topic is mother. We have many relationships with the people around us, but the most important, love, pure, and divine relationship is that of a mother and child. A mother's selfless love, care, and affection make it the most godly relationship.
You are present here in the morning assembly. Myself, Asutosh Koirala, student of class 7B, standing in front of you today to deliver some facts on technology. The first alarm clock only rings at 4 a.m. Google's name was the fruit of a spelling mistake. The world's first computer mouse was wooden. No one yet has verified the identity of Bitcoin's founder. Japan has the fastest internet speed of 390 petabytes per second. General Motors made the first self-driving car model. Motorola produced the first ever portable mobile phone.
Advertise the ideal bicycle to give the balance famous keep moving.
Speaking about mother, as all of us know, mother is always a symbol of pure love, compassion, forgiveness. Even when we commit great mistakes, mother is the first one to forgive. But my question is now, how much we are faithful to our mother when they correct us, when they ask you to do something. How many times do we hurt our mothers? As children, something what we do, we do, and therefore when they correct, we disobey them. We are unwilling to listen to them. But then mother always knows that whatever is spoken by her is always good for you, and that's the reason something they restrict you from doing certain things, maybe usage of mobiles or watching too much of TV and things like that. But then we should ask ourselves whether we are willing to listen to her. The best gift that we can give to our mother is make sure that we do not hurt them. We always try to listen to them. So that's the best way we can grow ourselves good human beings or a good student.
As we all know that starting our day with a beautiful prayer song is the raising of 1,009 toes score. So let's start our day with a beautiful prayer song by our school band team.
Band music, prayer song to begin.
I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied culture, language, and religion. Assessment parents, teachers, and elders.
Present here in this morning assembly. I am Snigdha from class 7B and I am standing in front of you to deliver the news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. Police detain a suspect in South Korea's second staging attack in 2 days. Pakistan National Assembly to be dissolved on August 9, says PM Shehbaz Sharif. Niger ambassador to US Morocco could establish reason. Secondly, here are some national news. Truth always wins. Rahul Gandhi on SC decision to stay conviction in 2019 defamation case.
People without the knowledge of their past history, original culture is like a tree without roots. With this thought, good morning to everyone. Respected Reverend Father, Sister, member of the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and you all my dear Bosconians. Today, I am Sujit Tegu from class 7B, standing in front of you to deliver today's important of the day. August 5th is the 217th day of the year on the Gregorian calendar, 148 days remaining until the end of the year. On this day in 939 AD, the Battle of Atlantis is fought between the Minos and Leon. And after Raymond III at Chamorro in the context of the Spanish Reconquista, the battle resulted in a victory for the Emirate of Cordova. On this day, in 1068 AD, Byzantine Norman Wars, the Tale of Normans began nearly 3 years ahead of Paris. On this day,
everyone, I am Sanjipal from class 7B, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic plants and trees. As we all know that 32% of the earth's surface is covered in green leafy flora. We are dependent on the trees for so many reasons, especially for the air we breathe. It helps to maintain the planet's biodiversity, yet we do not value these natural resources and destroy it by cutting trees and practicing deforestation for our selfish needs. All of us know how valuable trees are for our survival and all the other living beings in this planet. They are the most valuable sources of life present in the earth. Every living being is directly or indirectly dependent on it. The trees nourish us and protect and also keep the environment green, which gives many aesthetic values.
Good morning, teacher everyone. Today's thought for the day is history does not change in past, but change in the future. Thank you.
Of any setbacks or problems. Any walk of life you take, there will be problems, difficulties, hindrances, blocks, whatever we call it, there will be a lot of challenges will be there, any walk of life. But the beauty of life is that we will be able to overcome those challenges depending on how you look at it. As a student, let's say, two things are very important if you really wanted to face the challenges that are ahead of us. That is perseverance and determination. These are the two qualities that if you really build up, definitely our life will go much ahead the way we want. Perseverance means what? It's a commitment that we make to ourselves to achieve the dream or goal that we have. Nothing else. It's a commitment that we make to ourselves, not to anyone. The commitment is not to our parents, not to our teachers, not to anyone. It's a commitment that we make to ourselves to make our life better, to fulfill our dreams, aspirations that we have. I'm very sure you have observed ants carrying food. As they carry the pieces of food, you block their way, their path with an external tool or something, and they will be scattered here and there. But then if you observe them, you will find within no time they regroup. Their path was disturbed, there was some block of hindrance, but then that didn't deter them to give up what they were doing, that is carrying the food to their home. So also in our life, challenges are sure to come. Difficulties, obstacles, problems definitely sure to come. But then once we have strong determination and perseverance, then definitely we can overcome